G'day. The reason there's no screen is because the Xbox, in my despair, I reset. So I can't show you the problem I've encountered, but basically there's no inputs to the buttons whatsoever. There's no flaps, there's no throttle response. The hat seems to work, that's fine. But you just can't get out of the system, and the only way getting out is by pressing a button. So it's really frustrating. I've spent hours literally trying to configure it and it's just not working. And what I've heard on some websites, Microsoft have known that the problem exists. It's happening to personal computers on flight sims. And if they knew, it makes you wonder why it wasn't rectified. So they should be ashamed of themselves if that's the case. Microsoft, no stars for you. Looks good, I like it, but man, I wish it was working. I really want to fly. Thanks, guys.
Funcionando perfecto. Muy buena calidad, muy bien empacado, tiempo de entrega muy rápido.